Mali yung thinking na masyado ka nakafocus sa pera. Kasi pag sa pera ka nag-focus ka sa harvest, ano yung pwede mong i-take out, kunin, masyado kang sakim sa mahalay na pakinabang, what will happen is, you won't have the budget to focus on value. Common example is, a lot of people are hiring cheap employees para makatipid. Instead of paying the leaders more, which will probably yield to 5 times to 10 times more productivity, na konti lang naman yung i-increase mo, pero magiging 10 times productive sila versus mag-hire ka ng marami na in reality, mas malaki yung pwede mong gastusin doon, mas mahal yung acquisition cost, pero since cheap ka, you hire cheap people. You attract cheap people. Instead na magbayad ka na lang ng malaki sa executive. Bayaran mo ng malaki, magpa-bonus ka ng malaki sa mga taong productive. If you are a cheap entrepreneur, you will attract cheap people, cheap customers, and you will build a cheap community and culture. So it's all up to you.